Suzanne is making something very safe. She's making tea.
No, coffee.
Coffee? She's making coffee? All right, I'm going to try to pour on the water and film at the same time. Won't that be fun? All right, guys, let's see what happens here.
You want to send these stories to your husband?
Oh, yeah, he'll get a kick out of this.
Via email?
Oh, yeah, by email.
They are cute already.
Well, I don't know if they're killed already, but...
No.
No, they're not.
They breathe. Oh my God, it's really funny. I can do.
Well, I've never done this before, so it's kind of... But they are kind of curling up.
It's kind of slow death.
Yeah. Well, the problem is I can't peel them when they're alive.
Now they are masochist, you are sad. Sadomasochistic action.
Oh, yeah. Well, they were only shrimp. Or whatever they were. Whatever they were, anyway. So we're going to see if we can get them to cool off, and then maybe I can peel them, and then maybe we can cook them.